My heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. You paid the price for me way back on Calvary. That's why I praise you.
Yes.
I lift you up,
Yes.
and I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise.
Amen. Amen.
Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? Welcome to Vlogtober Day 18. Don't have a whole lot going on today. I've been in bed most of the morning. Took some medication to help with my headaches and things, and muscle relaxer last night had me knocked out, but still a bit tight in my neck and shoulders, and my head is hurting. So I laid down most of the morning. Of course, we had our online service today, so I did participate in that. Not going to cook today. We have plenty of leftovers in the refrigerator, so we're going to be eating leftovers, and I'm going to have myself some of the leftover wings and green beans. That's going to be my dinner today. And then I'm just going to relax with my family, take some more headache medicine, and yeah, we're just going to relax and watch movies and enjoy each other's company. It's my prayer that all of you are having a great day today. I know it's Sunday, but I pray wherever you are that your Sunday is going great. But have a great rest of the day today. Thank you guys so much who have messaged me, hoping that I feel well and the well wishes. I appreciate that very much. All right, well, let me go ahead and get to my dinner, and I will be talking to you guys a little bit later on. All right, this is my dinner, everybody. I'm eating some leftover green beans that we had from the other day when I made the beef brisket, and these were the wings from the other day as well. Got me a little bit of ranch there, and that is going to be my dinner for today. Good morning, everybody. This morning I am up and I am reading my word, and I am in the book of Proverbs right now. Proverbs 6 and 16, and I'm just reading about the 6 things that the Lord hates. Yes, 7 are an abomination. And the first one is a proud look, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, a heart that devises wicked plans, feet that are swift in running to evil, a false witness who speaks lies, and number 7, and one who sows discord among brethren. So I'm just examining myself and just asking God to help me to make sure that I do not fall within this category at any point in time in my life. You know, staying away from a proud look, a lying tongue. Lord knows I'm not shedding no innocent blood. And I have no ill will or desire to devise any wicked plans towards anyone. Definitely want to stay away from evil. I do not want to be a false witness that speaks lies, and sowing discord among the brethren, an abomination to God, just causing strife and rift amongst one another. So if we find ourselves, my friends, in any of these categories, let us examine ourselves, as I'm examining myself this morning, and just asking the Lord to help me to stay away from these things, among other things. But this morning, this is what we're talking about, the things that the Lord hates. So I thank God for this word this morning, and yeah, just praying that God keeps me and helps me to be mindful of these things right here. So I'm back from my morning walk, and I'm having my breakfast. Right now, I've got me a serving of the Magic Spoon cereal and 3 slices of bacon, and this is going to be breakfast. That's the doctor getting looked at. Gonna check on my neck and my back, because they're really, really sore. I hate doctor's offices, especially during COVID. I'm ready for this to be over with. Now I'm at doctor's visit number 2, my second one for the day. Not a very event-filled day. Sorry, guys. Hey, everybody. So I have just made it home. Just a very long day filled with doctor's appointments, visits, waiting, just very tiring. Okay, if I wasn't tired before, I'm certainly tired now. I mean, you get tired just from waiting. Okay, just from waiting. But at any rate, I've got my prescriptions, dropped them off to get filled, and I've just pulled back in to the garage here at home, and I am ready to grab something to eat, take my medicine, and lay down. I have a few more things that I need to do for Beard Productions before I call it a night. But yeah, I'm gonna get in and get dinner started. We're probably going to go ahead and finish off that beef. We didn't get any the other day, so I froze it. I took it out to thaw, and we're probably just gonna have some chopped brisket sandwiches. Yeah, we gotta finish that off. Chopped brisket sandwiches, and then I'll pop some French fries in the air fryer for my family, and I'm probably gonna grab me a nice green garden salad. Take my medicine and call it a night. But let's get in here and get dinner started because I am so hungry. You guys, I have the absolute best group of people working for Beard Productions. I got a card in the mail from my employees, from my team that work at my art center downtown, and for Bosses Day. And this is the sweetest card. I love them so much. We haven't been able to work together since March of this year, but they got me this beautiful card. It just is so fabulous, and a nice little gift card to go along with it. So I'm just so grateful that God put some wonderful people in my life to help me to build an organization that helps kids grow in their passions. All right, guys, so I'm gonna call it a vlog right here. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I am so tired. Just realized I forgot to take a picture of the food. My family had the chopped beef barbecue sandwiches and French fries. I had leftover pasta that I made day before yesterday. So I had my leftover pasta bake, the keto version, of course. And yeah, my family had the chopped beef sandwiches. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I've taken my medicine. I'm gonna lay it down and get me some rest, and I will talk to you guys in the morning. Have a blessed and a prosperous day today, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.